So for this problem, to evaluate the first derivative, so for this given, first, since sine to theta, this is equal to 2 times sine theta cosine theta. So this becomes 1, then minus 2 sine theta cosine theta. Then the other identity, that 1 is equal to sine squared plus cosine squared. So this 1 becomes sine squared plus cosine squared. And this identity, that cosine to theta is equal to cosine squared minus sine squared. So for this numerator, so this becomes cosine squared minus sine squared. Then from this, we can rearrange this denominator by putting this sine squared theta at the last term. So this becomes cosine squared minus 2 sine times cosine, then plus the sine squared. Then to simplify the numerator and the denominator, since for this numerator, the difference of 2 squared, and this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So from this one is a, this is b. So we have a plus b times a minus b. Or this is cosine plus sine times cosine minus sine. Then for this denominator, so if we have x squared minus 2xy plus y squared, so this one is a perfect square, and this is equal to x. Since the middle term is minus, so therefore this is minus, then y quantity to the power 2. So this one is x, and this is y. So we have cosine minus sine quantity to the power 2. And from this, we can simplify. So we can cancel this cosine minus sine and 1 cosine minus sine. So the remaining is cosine plus sine over cosine minus sine. Then from this, so in the numerator, so if we have cosine theta plus sine theta, so observe that if we put this cosine theta outside, so divide by cosine theta, this is 1, then plus, divide this 1 by cosine theta, since sine over cosine, this one is equal to tangent theta, so this is now the numerator. Then for this denominator, so the same process. So if we put this cosine theta outside, so divide by cosine theta, this is 1, then minus, divide by cosine theta. So again, sine over cosine, this is tangent theta, so we have now the denominator. So we have now y equals cosine times 1 plus tangent theta for the numerator, and cosine times 1 minus tangent theta for this denominator. Then observe that we can cancel this cosine, so the remaining, that's 1 plus tangent theta over 1 minus tangent theta. Then from this, we can use now this identity, that this 1 plus tangent theta over 1 minus tangent theta, this is equal to tangent pi over 4 plus theta. So the given becomes y equals tangent pi over 4 plus theta. Then we can find now the derivative. So since the derivative of tangent is secant squared, then pi over 4 plus theta, then times the derivative of pi over 4. This one is 0 because this is a constant. And the derivative of theta is 1. So therefore times 1. Then to simplify, so y prime equals secant squared, then the quantity of pi over 4 plus theta. So this is now the derivative for this given.